Hello everybody, welcome to your 3-4 lesson on dividing polynomials. We have added, subtracted, multiplied, now we're going to divide. So our learning target for today, we can divide polynomials. We will be able to divide polynomial expressions using long division. You guys haven't done that in a while. And we will use synthetic division to rewrite rational expressions. So let's do a quick review of long division. So let's say I wanted to figure out what is 127 divided by 4. And I had to do this by hand. I couldn't just type it into a calculator. So how we would set that up is long division would say you have 127. Here's our long division symbol, or whatever we call that. And the 4 goes on the outside. So when we do long division, we're looking at, does 4 fit into this first term of 1? 4 doesn't fit into 1, so we continue to look at the first two numbers. Does 4 fit into 12? 4 does fit into 12 3 times, so we put a 3 up top. And now we're going to multiply 3 times 4. That goes below here. 3 times 4 is 12, and then we subtract. 12 minus 12 is 0, and we carry down our next number, which is 7. So now we're going to see how many times does 4 fit into 7. Well, it doesn't fit in evenly, but it fits in one time without going over. So we put a 1 up top. Now we multiply. 1 times 4 is 4. We subtract again. 4 minus 7, or 7 minus 4 is 3. And we look to see if we have anything left to bring down, and there's nothing left to bring down. So that means that 3 is our remainder. So that's just a quick reminder of how long division works. We're going to follow that same process with polynomials, but I want to talk about two different ways that you can write your final answer. So the first way you can write your answer is, we just did 127 divided by 4, and we got 31 plus our remainder of 3, but that remainder gets divided by whatever we were dividing by here. So plus 3/4, which in this case, because we're just using numbers, those are like terms, we would say 127 divided by 4 is equal to 31 3/4. So that's one way that you can write your answer. Another way that you can write your answer is 127 is equal to, now when you divide, so just off on the side, just quick little reminder, if you do 6 divided by 3, you get 2. That means that 6 is equal to 3 times 2. So another way to write it is kind of in that format. That kind of looks like I wrote a does not equal. That's, oh. All right, so kind of following that idea, we can say our second way of writing our answer is 127 is equal to 31 times 4, and then plus our remainder of 3. And if you check, 31 times 4 is 124, plus that 3 is 127. So we can represent our answer two different ways. All right, so let's take a look at our first example and see what long division looks like with polynomials.